Hey there, welcome to our nighttime adventure on George Street in Sydney. If you're a fan of vibrant city nightlife, you're in for a treat. George Street is the place to be when the sun goes down, with its bustling atmosphere and stunning lights creating an exciting backdrop for our journey. Now, capturing the essence of George Street at night is no easy feat. The challenge lies in the ever-changing light conditions that make it tricky to showcase the true beauty of this iconic street. As we start our exploration, get ready to be amazed by the mix of modern architecture and historical landmarks that line George Street. From sleek skyscrapers to charming old buildings, this street has it all. But wait, the best is yet to come. Get ready for the key moment of our adventure as we reveal a breathtaking panoramic view of George Street at night. The vibrant city lights and the hustle and bustle of the streets below create a mesmerizing scene that you won't soon forget. As we wrap up our journey, take a moment to soak in the beauty and energy of George Street at night. The diverse sights and sounds that we've experienced along the way truly make this street a must-visit destination for any night owl. Now, before we part ways, don't forget to check out our other videos showcasing different cityscapes at night. And hey, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Share your favorite nighttime spots or let us know where you'd like us to explore next. Thanks for joining us on this unforgettable nighttime stroll along George Street in Sydney. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.